Hi guys, now we will talk about the TikTok app and we will show you how to make your TikTok account business. So let's go to this TikTok app. Now we are on our profile page where we have to tap on the three lines icon at the top bar of the screen. Later, let's choose the settings and privacy option. Pick on the first option, manage account. Later, let's tap on the switch to business account. Wait a minute. Later, press the next button. Choose the category of your business. Maybe it's art and crafts. Tap on the next. You can choose only one category. Don't forget about it. Wait a minute again. And amazing! Now your account is business. Let's check it again after tapping on the three lines icon. And business suite, as you can see, this option is possible only when you have the business account on your TikTok. So guys, don't forget about likes, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube and of course TikTok HardReset.Info channel. Goodbye!